me, guys. Before you press OK and pay that, how would you like 2 hours free parking? If you just display that on your dash, you'll be all good. No problem at all. No worries at all.
That's fantastic.
I'm going to give you 2 hours free parking.
Oh, really?
Yes? Which vehicle's yours? You'll be all good.
Thank you so much.
No problem in the world. Well, now you've got a place and you don't even have to worry about paying.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Right, if you just put this on your dashboard,
Thank you.
You'll be all
very
good.
much indeed.
no worries at all. Free hot drink and a free small coffee and a free chocolate bar from the Fresh Choice Supermarket.
Oh, thank you.
So next time you're in the city, go there and have that on us. All right?
Right, thank you.
No problem. Good man. You'll be all good for at least a couple
Thank you
of
very
hours.
much. Appreciate that.
No problem at all.
Oh, great.
No worries.
Thank you very much.
Thanks very much.